Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous sunny Henderson, Tennessee. And look at here. Holy mackerel, Kenworth. Don't get a whole lot better than that, does it, boys? Hey, this is a 2012 Kenworth mechanics truck with an onboard high output air compressor, the whole 9 yards. Look at this thing, man. This is so clean. The tires on it were a little shaky, so we just had brand new front tires put on it. I mean, yeah, we literally just came from the shop with it. Back tires on it are knee deep. I don't think you need to worry about them for a long time. She's a beautiful, beautiful little truck. Now, if you look real close, you're going to see a crack in that windshield. Don't worry, I got a guy coming on Monday to do that as well. Hey, she's such a pretty truck. Big old fuel tank on there. Yeah, she takes def. But look at this. Holy mackerel. That's got a cabinet for you to put your torch tanks in it. And look at there. You guys up north? Yep, that's what a rust-free truck looks like. And I don't want to spend a lot of time wasting your time showing you all these here. You know what they look like. They're just cabinets and shelves and all that kind of good stuff. On the back here, there's got a little pipe vise over there with a little groove for you to hold the pipes. There's an extra heavy-duty, big old cabinet right here. You can put all kinds of stuff in there. Hose reel is mounted right up there, and you got room there to put some parts or whatever you need up there. It's got the flashing strobe lights up there. Nicely done, heavy-duty Pintle hitch. Look at here. Glad hands. She's ready to haul an air brake trailer. There's your little pipe vise. Hey, everything over here is the same as the other side. Just regular cabinets, all that kind of good stuff. The only thing different is this one. Nope, not that one. This one. That's where the batteries for the truck live. And it's got a slide-out drawer right there. So, absolutely gorgeous truck. Big old steps going up inside there. Clean, clean, clean. I'm going to show you this in a minute. That's got a built-in Vanair. As a matter of fact, if I can reach across, let's just climb up in here. So, three passenger seating right there, 2 passenger here, got an air seat there, and you got a switch right there. There we go, that's the air compressor. And man, I'm telling you, this is really cool. Look how fast that builds up here. Now that's set at about 100 pounds. If that's not enough, you flip this switch. Now you're going to go up to almost 200 pounds, and there you heard the shut off on it, right? So, there's how fast that recovers. Holy mackerel. That thing is just flat awesome. And you got valve control here, you got valves up there, you got an open thing down here. That's big enough to run a jackhammer if you needed to, I'm pretty sure. And we're going to just shut him off. While I'm in here, I might as well just show you this as well. Clean, clean, clean. Driver's side air seat has the fold-down armrests on both sides. We're going to just shut that radio off. Kenworth factory sound system. And let's see, strobe lights, work lights, PTO for that. Cruise control, headlights, all kinds of stuff. Here's your air brake controls. See, we got an electric brake controller right there. Air conditioning here. That's for your trailer brake. And then, of course, all your standard gauges and whatnot. Very, very slick. Hey, while I got you here, I'm going to just turn the headlights off so we can see a little better. Look at there. Look at that. 3,500 hours, that's it. And 53,000 miles, that's it. Unbelievable, hardly been used. That's why she's so straight and she's so clean. It's a beautiful truck. Power door locks. Must have a power, I don't see a crank over there. It must be a power window. Oh, there's a switch over there maybe, huh? So, manual window on this side. Such a clean, clean truck. So she's a 33,000 pound GVW truck. It's running the PX6, I think it is, Packard, PX7, I guess it is, Packard. Air ride seat right there. Such a baby doll. Holy mackerel. We kind of came through that truck, kind of a weird walk around, but you get the idea. This thing up here, that's just the cooler for that big old air compressor. She is awesome. You got work lights up there. You got strobe lights up there. It is just absolutely gorgeous. That is such a beautiful truck, and there's some old Kenworth. How can you beat that? So look at there, kids. 2012. Ultra low mileage at 53,000, $3,500 is all, with the built-in massive air compressor. A great rust-free body back there. Strobe lights, work lights. I don't know what more to tell you guys. This thing is ready for you. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. My personal cell phone number, 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.